Alright, so here we have a 1970s Sony Digimatic clock radio. It's an alarm clock, also with the radio function, AM FM, really nice. It's clean. Here you can set the time. For the flip clock mechanism, you can see the little bulb also lights up. Here you set the alarm. Kind of hard to see there, but you can set the alarm. Show that the radio works. So radio part works. We also have AM, but really it isn't any AM in Norway anymore. This one is model number TFM-C380E, and it's actually made in Taiwan, so it's made in China, believe it or not. But there's all the specifications for it. Really clean. There's the speaker. Pretty good sound. Pretty good sound in the speaker. I can show you with the alarm on. Let's see here. So now I will activate the alarm, and we will try to. You can see where the alarm should go off. So it should go off right about now. And it did. So we can shut it off, and it works really nice.